Hello everybody, and today we're doing the hand feeding of the older batch of cockatiels. Now a lot of these guys are about to start weaning. Many of them have already begun to eat seed and spray millet. Another week or so, and some of them will be off hand feeding completely. Let's see what we have here. They can all fly. Not very well, but they can fly. And it's usually at this age, when they begin weaning, they start taking smaller amounts of food. Instead of taking a full 10, 11, 12 cc's of the formula, they will just stop after a little while. And that is a refusal. He has no interest in having any more because he's already been eating a bit by himself. Really, right now he just lets go fly around and play around, but I'll put him back now. Back into the whirlpool. This is the oldest of the batch. He doesn't want any at all. He took a feeding in the morning, and he'll probably take a feeding at the end of the day. So right now, he doesn't care. He does not eat. He doesn't eat anything. Oftentimes when weaning, they'll eat a heavier meal first thing in the morning and last thing at night. But the meals in between are much lighter. They will start off eager, but before they get to the end, they'll let you know that they're done. Just like that. Another nice standard right here. The midday feeding for these guys goes pretty quickly. Just as long as you don't have to chase them down when they start flying around. Good strong start. They'll start drooling. Now they're done. They let me know that they're done. Obviously not as much risk at this age with them overeating and getting a stressed crop. Nice looking gray there. They go through a lot of spray millet at this stage. I can put a new spray in there every hour or so and it'll be gone. Again, a good strong start. Eager. A little musty. And he'll take almost the full thing. As it's done. Another nice little gray there. Flapping around in the cage, they're not happy that they weren't allowed to go out for a flight. In a few minutes. That's a little more chaos than I can handle while I'm feeding. strong starts are a lot messier. And done. Every day they'll take a little bit less and less at each feeding. I will know that they are done when they refuse every hand feeding, every one of the days 4 hand feedings for 3 days in a row. Then they are pretty much officially weaned. You have a little white face. And then you stay here for 1 more week, having their weight monitors, make sure they're not losing any weight, make sure they're eating well on their own, get them used to the chop. This guy is the youngest of the batch. He just went into the grow cage yesterday, and he'll still take a full feeding there. But you'll let me know when he's done. The only white face of this these batches, the only white face in hand feeding right now. Very pretty birdie. Being just a little bit younger, he's still a little more calm than some of the more energetic idiots over there. Here you go. Doing good. There they are in the grow up cage. One more down here. That's the oldest. People like to be nearby the heat lamp once in a while. And they're still making the begging for food sound, but they're done eating for now. There are 7 more still in the brooder, and they will be coming out of the brooder and joining these guys in 1 or 2 weeks. Those are the Cockatiels. See you next time.